Okay, so we're going to begin this exam, and I'm just going to go through head to toe and just test and make sure everything's doing okay.
Okay.
How you feeling?
I feel okay.
Okay. So I'm just going to come in and we're going to start by just taking a look. Okay. Hands out on your lap, please. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to come in and just check the head and the scalp.
Okay.
And the hair. And throughout, I just want you to let me know if you are experiencing any tenderness.
Do have a bit of a headache, but it's just in the front of my head. Yeah, like around the forehead.
Okay, we'll take a look at that. How long have you had that?
All day. I think it's a jaw tension thing, but I'm not sure.
Okay, we'll get to that too.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. And you said it's right here in the forehead?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have our clock over there. Actually, it's this one. So I'm just going to check your heart rate. Just breathe in. Okay. All right. Nice strong heart rate. That's good. Okay. Now for your facial expressions, can you lift your eyebrows up for me? Yep, very good. And you can relax. And now squint your eyes. Yep, good. And now pucker your lips like you're going to whistle. Good. Good. Okay. And now puff out your cheeks. Good. Okay. It's a rainy one out there. Oh.
Yeah.
Is it raining on your way over here? Okay.
Yeah, it just started. Thunderstorms.
Yeah, it's supposed to get bad this weekend. Okay. Alright. So now for this test, we are going to be testing sharp and dull. And I'm going to be doing this test on your face just to check the sensitivity. Okay, so hold your hands out for me. Okay, so this is the sharp.
Okay.
And then that's the dull.
Okay.
It doesn't hurt at all. It's just...
No.
It's easy for you to tell the difference.
Should I close my eyes today?
Yeah, I want you to close your eyes. Okay.
I guess I'll back. Okay.
Yeah, good brothers.
Just guess.
Okay. And so once I touch your face, just tell me if it's sharp or dull.
Sharp.
Good.
Sharp.
Good.
Sharp.
Good.
Dull.
Good.
Dull. Dull? Sharp.
Good. I tried to do it a little bit harder that time. I know sometimes that trips you up that one. Okay. And so we're going to do the same thing, but this time I'm just going to have you tell me whenever you can feel the sensation. So it's not going to be sharp or dull, it's just going to be this.
Okay.
So I just want you to let me know when you can feel it. Okay?
Okay.
Close your eyes again.
I can feel it.
You can just lift up your hand just so you don't have to keep it, like your pointer finger maybe, just like to let me know.
Oh, okay.
Okay. That was some cheetah on the neck. Good. Good. Okay, your sensitivity seems to be really good. No problems there. You're doing good so far.
Thank you.
Check your ears. Actually, to start, I'm just going to take a look at the ears. So, is there any tenderness when I tug on them?
No.
Okay. And how about behind?
No.
Okay. And turn your head that way. Any tenderness in them tugging?
No.
And then here?
No.
Okay. Good. Nice and clean. Okay. Okay, and straighten your face. Okay. Okay, nice and symmetrical. Good. So now I'm just going to test your hearing.
Okay.
So I'm going to start by having you cover this ear with your hands. Yeah. Can you hear this?
Not really, no.
Okay. So I just want you to let me know if you can hear this.
Okay. Yeah.
Can you hear that?
Yeah, I can hear that.
Can you still hear it?
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yes. Yeah, still there. Not anymore.
Okay. And now we're going to do it again.
Should I close my eyes?
No, you can keep your eyes open. It's okay.
Okay. Can you still hear it? I can still hear it? It's not anymore.
Okay. Okay. Now let's switch. Okay. Same thing.
Yep. Yeah. Yeah. It's still here. Not anymore.
Okay. Good. Very good. We're going to do the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, hand up.
Still here. Not anymore.
Very good. Okay. You can take your hand off. Okay. So I want you to close your eyes.
Okay.
Don't worry, I won't put these on you. But we'll close your eyes. And I want you to let me know. Just place your hands on either of your knees. Do that same thing. Just raise a finger whenever you can hear a noise on that side, okay?
Okay.
Very good. Okay, so this time, once you hold your hand up, I'm going to let you keep it up until you can't hear it anymore and then put it down.
Okay.
Very good. Next we have a tuning fork. And I'm going to just strike the tuning fork and then place it on the top of your head. Okay?
Okay.
And I just want you to let me know if you can hear it evenly on both sides. Well, first of all, can you hear it?
Yes.
Is it pretty much even on both sides?
Yeah.
Tell me when you hear it stop.
Stopped.
Good. I'm going to have you close your eyes for this. So I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm just going to tuck it behind your ear. If you can just turn your head that way a little bit. Great. Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
And tell me when it stops.
Stopped.
Okay. Other side. Oh, good. Can you hear it?
Mm-hmm. Stopped.
Very good. Okay. All right. So next up, let me take a look at your eyes. Okay. I'm going to just press on them a little bit.
Okay.
Just let me know if there's any tenderness. Anything?
Mm.
Okay. Okay, I want you to try and squint your eyes closed, and I'm just gonna try and keep your eyes closed tight, very shut tight. Excuse me. And I'm gonna try and open them. So keep them shut, keep them shut, keep them shut. Good, very good. You can open them. Good. Okay. And now we're gonna begin testing your vision. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to begin using these two bright colored highlighters, and I'm going to come from behind you, and then when you can see them in your field of vision, either side, I want you to raise that finger on that side, okay?
Okay.
So I'm going to start back here. You might want to get your hands ready, and you can just put them on your lap comfortably.
Okay.
And you don't have to raise it all, you can just, whatever's comfortable for you. Can you see them now?
No.
Okay. Very good, very good. And again. Very good. And now. Very good. And now. Very good, very good. Okay. And now. Good. Okay. And now. Good. And now. That's very good. Okay, so now I'm going to take this bright orange, and I'm just going to have you follow this with your eyes, but I want you to keep your head really still, okay?
Okay.
So, are you comfortable there? Okay.
Yeah.
So head straight. Good. So just following with your eyes. Very good. 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 No head movement there.
Hmm.
Good. Okay, great. Now we're going to test it here. Okay. Can you follow the cap?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you experiencing any discomfort in the eyes when you do that? Okay, great.
No.
So I'll let your eyes relax on the orange, and we'll do the yellow. So I want you to pick a point on the wall there.
Okay.
Okay, and look at the point. And now look at this highlighter. And at the point on the wall. And if you could for me, not blink in between, that would be great. So point on the wall, and now the highlighter. Very good. And the point on the wall. Very good. And now the highlighter. And once again, the point on the wall. Is that uncomfortable for you?
I just trying not to blink makes me.
Makes your eyes dry.
I'm thinking about it too much.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm just going to check your pupils.
Okay.
Why don't I give your eyes just a minute to rest? You want to just close them? Okay, so I'm going to check your pupils. Just want you to look at that same point.
Okay.
This is going to be quite bright, okay?
Okay.
Great. Coming in again. Excellent. Very good. You can blink as much as you want for this one. And one more time. Okay. Take a moment. It's really good reflexes on your pupils. So whenever you're ready, just let me know and we will test the other.
I'm ready.
Okay. So, same point.
Okay.
Excellent. And again. Yep. Great. And one more time. Excellent. Okay. Perfect. Just gonna check your nose and your tear glands here. Again, just let me know if you feel any discomfort. Okay, and then the sinuses. Any discomfort in here?
Mm-mm.
Good. Okay. So now I have a few scents that I'm going to have you smell, and I just want you to tell me what they are, okay?
Okay.
So first I'm going to have you close your left nostril with your hand. You can just go like that. Yeah, very good. Okay, close your eyes and breathe in. What do you think that is? Just a rough.
It's really lovely. Is it some sort of tea tree or
Very good. It's eucalyptus.
eucalyptus?
Okay, and now close the other one. Switch off. Okay, and breathe in whenever you're ready.
It's very cinnamony.
Yeah, it says.
Cinnamon.
That's right. Very good. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to test just a few more things, okay?
Okay.
So I'm just gonna very quickly just check here. Okay, and then you can put your head back down. So you said that the pressure you were feeling was right in here.
Mm-hmm. It's more I think right over my left eyebrow.
Here.
Yeah. Does that make sense?
So tell me when you feel it the most. I'm gonna put my hand here.
Okay. Yeah.
Right there.
Well, it doesn't hurt. It just feels good when you press on.
I see. Okay, so there's some tension in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Over here? Not so much,
Not
just
so
here.
much. Yeah, a little more central.
Right there. Okay. 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 Left eye.
I think it's just the stress that.
Just stress. So we want to be able to manage our stress so that we don't have these kinds of symptoms. I'm just gonna look here, the back of your neck. Okay, yeah, you have good posture. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, any jaw tension here coming up?
No. Again, it feels nice, but it doesn't hurt.
No tenderness?
No tenderness.
Okay, all right. Okay. So let's just do a quick mobility test and then we'll be all done.
Okay.
Chin to chest for me. Okay, now back up. And your right ear to your right shoulder. Very good. And back up. And left ear to left shoulder. Very good. And let's see. Can you look over your right shoulder? Good. And look over your left shoulder. Good. Okay. And now I want you to lean into me, and I'm going to try and push you up. And you're going to lean into me. Very good. Okay. And on the other side, lean into me. Okay. Good. That's good. Very good. And your arms. So I'm going to have you straighten your arm. And like that, you're just going to push up against me, and I'm going to hold you down. Okay, good. And this one, same. Oh, very good. Okay. And that's it. Good. So we could do an in-depth analysis just to keep checking on a few things.
Okay.
I just want to check your breathing just very, very quickly. If you can just tuck yourself around. And are you comfortable?
Yeah.
Okay. So every time I put the stethoscope on your back, I just want you to breathe in.
Okay.
Good. Good. Very good. Give you a second to catch your breath. Okay, very good. You can come back over.
Okay.
Okay, well that's all. And everything's looking really, really good. The only thing is just to be aware of those headaches for us and for you, just so that we are able to track that and just see if we can do something to help you feel a little bit better with that. Make sure that you're staying nice and hydrated.
Okay.
You can, a lot of insurances actually allow a massage with the insurance, so if you can check with your insurance and see if they will allow that, because some kind of a tension release massage or a facial to help with that would be really beneficial, and I also think it would be really nice.
Yeah. That sounds really nice.
Okay. Anything else you wanted to talk to me about before we?
Other than that, I feel great.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Absolutely. So, hope to see you again soon. Maybe not too soon. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's hope.
Stay dry in this weather.
Yeah.
Okay. Take care.
Thank you.
That's very good.
I
Okay.
don't know what it is, but I want to be really good at this test.